Hello and welcome to DIY Science Kitchen Edition. Today we are going to be investigating carbohydrates, carbs. They are the energy source for the human body. There are two types of carbs, simple carbs and complex carbs. Simple carbs give you a quick hitting energy source. It gives you a quick spike in your blood glucose, which gets burned up fairly quickly in the body. Complex carbs are made up of much larger chains of sugars, which in turn are burned much more slowly in the body and give you a more long-lasting energy source. If you put an iodine solution onto a food, and the food has starch in it, the iodine will react with the starch and it will turn a very, very dark purple or black color. So this is how we're going to test our foods to see which carbohydrate contains starch, which is a complex carb.
Test 1, the unripe banana. After a few moments, you can see the unripe banana is starting to turn black in color. Next, our ripe banana. We have the ripe and the unripe. Mr. Potato's turn. Next we have a pear. Bread. Fairly immediate result. Cheerios. Birthday cake flavored peat.